geometry problem right here. You can see what's done so far. So we need to calculate the area. We have reached this conclusion that the line of this figure times the height is 32. So basically we can say that basically the line is the 42 divided by the height, and right there we can say that that is the line divided by 2 according to the 30-degree formula. So now we can apply the Pythagorean and stuff. So that's that, and that's 32. When we plug in the height, and we will get 2a divided by 2 is 32, so basically a is 32. So that's how it's written. Oh, actually it's not 2a because it's times, so a power of 2 equals 64, so a is 8. So we got the height is 8. A is half that is 4, so 42 centimeters. We got the perimeter right here. So now we can move from here. Next exercise. I guess now another approach is being shown here. Okay, so we've got this. So x is 4, so AB is 8, so yeah, I knew about this approach with a 30-degree formula. What, this is another approach? Come on, let's just move on. So now with a volume, I think this one's a bit hard, so I'm just gonna skip it for now. We got this probability one. So essentially, in a bin, there are 5 balls with 5 digits on them, and 4 balls have a 4 number on them. 3 balls are being extracted, and find probability that the sum on the balls is not going to be smaller than 14. So in total there are 5 balls with a number 5 and 4 balls with number 4. I mean, this one's obviously done using the formula of favorable cases divided by all cases, and obviously to calculate all the cases, what we need to do is have to think about it. 5 balls and 4 balls and 3 balls are being extracted, but we have numbers on them. So pretty much, I don't know exactly, maybe it's combinations of 9 below, because there are 9 balls in total and 3 are extracted. And in terms of favorable cases, you just fucking write 3 circles, and then you fucking pop like it can either be 2, 5. So there's a 5 ball and a 4 ball. So it can either be 2 5s. Hold up, but probability that the sum on the balls is not going to be smaller than 14. So it can actually be 14. So it can either be 2 5 balls and 1 4 ball, or 3 5 balls, and that's pretty much it. Like, should we actually care if the 4 ball is extracted first or second? We don't care, because all 3 balls are being extracted at the same time, randomly. So yeah, we got 2 cases, and you just note it down. When the cases of extracting 2 5 balls and 1 4 ball, you just pop C of 5 below and 2, because they're extracting 2 5 balls. In total there are 5, times C for 1, which is essentially 4, and then you plus them out. 3 are taken. Okay, so I got the C right, the N right, so at least that's great. In terms of M, we got 3 balls, and has to be this 5 5 4 5 5 5. Amazing. So C 5 2 times C 4 1, which is essentially 4, plus C 5 3. Yeah, I got it all perfectly. So C 5 2, that's 10, that's 4, plus that, I don't know how much, it's 10 also, I guess. So 50. And C9 3 now, this one's harder. 9 exclamation mark up there, 3 exclamation mark, 6 exclamation mark, 7 8 9 on top, and 2 3 on bottom. And to just simplify, you will get this. 1 below, just don't write it down, so you're gonna have 28 times 3, which is 84. So the probability will be 50 on 84. Simplify that, 25 divided by 42, right? So that is a probability right here. Genius. Okay, now next one. This trigonometry, come on. Just skip this. This one. Stuff. Skip that. So yeah, find another one. And yeah. I've ingested every content from that channel. Now moving towards other channels, and when I'm done with this, perhaps some self-solving, and I'm done for life with this. So, you know, we've got this expression, power 15, so we gotta understand the term that doesn't contain x in this thing. So first thing first, to write down the general formula there, but it's already there in the upper right corner. It's the main thing. It's in the test. I don't even have to remember it, which is super G. So I just write down what I know. Power of 15, this means that n is 15, and you just plug it in, work with what you can work, find out what k is, so you can find c from there, work it out, work with c and stuff. So that's it, bruv. So let's get it. C15, so basically plug in best wave n. Boom, really easy. Power of n minus k, so 15 minus k. And then right there, boom, boom, boom. Power of k, which is just k. We do not know what k is yet. We've yet to find that out. Let's see. We write down as it is, just the same. And now what we need to do is work with this square roots and stuff, so fuck them up and run them down as powers. If it's 3 and square roots like that, so it's essentially power of 1 divided by 3. So x at the power of 1 divided by 3 right there. And the power is multiplied with other power, so we're going to be at the power of 15 minus k divided by 3. Right there for first x. And for the second one, it's square root on the bottom like that, so that at the bottom, the x is at the power of 1 divided by 2, but once again, it's at the bottom, so when you flip it, it's going to be x at the power of negative 1 divided by 2, but as the minus is already present there, I think the negative sign is removed, and we're just going to have x at the power of 1 divided by 2, essentially times k. What, negative 1 and that's it? Negative 1k. So this guy chosen to do it like this, huh? I mean, I guess if the method is like this, I thought the power can be moved and the negative sign is being removed, but looks like perhaps it's harder than that. Anyways, the C remains as it is. Boom. Now this negative 1k goes up front. I guess that's the method. Whatever. X at the power of 15 minus k divided by 3. And write there x at the power of minus k divided by 2. Boom. Now, what we need to do, come on, C write down the same, minus 1 the same, and what we need to do now is work with the x stuff. So you see it's at the power of that, x times with power, x times with another power, so we just need to plus the powers. So it's going to be x to the power of minus, not minus, 15 minus k divided by 3 minus k divided by 2. Okay, so essentially it's plus minus k divided by 2. I just remove bloody sign, so you just work with the powers and equal that to 0. Multiply 6 so that we can essentially work with everything. So we're just gonna have on top there 15 times 6, that is 90 minus 6k minus 6k once again, so 90 So anyways, it's like that for now. Actually, bruv, we don't multiply by 6, we multiply by 2 and 3. Yes, bruv. So 30 minus 5k equal of 0, because minus 2k minus 3k, so minus 5k. So essentially now we have minus 5k equal with minus 30, so k is going to be equal with 6. So now we know that k is essentially 6. So t is going to be 6 plus 1, so t7 essentially. And now just write it down what we know according to formula. C15 Bravo 7 right there. I mean 6 because 6 plus 1, so minus 1 to the power of 6, and the x stuff we ignore because we just now work with this. We know that the x stuff at the power is equal to 0. So basically, when we plug in k like this, x is equal to 0, so we don't even write it down as it is in the condition. We need to find a term that doesn't contain x, so we just don't write it down. But c, we can just work it out. It's going to be 15 exclamation mark on top, and below 9 exclamation mark, so it has to be until 10 on top, and below it's gonna be 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, and 4. So now we're just simplifying stuff and times the minus 1 to the power 6. How much is that? That's just 1, so just don't write it down. We just have to calculate this. Okay, so 6 simplified with what? 12. 6 and 2 we can simplify with 12. And 5 with 3 and 15. And 4 with what? With 10. So I don't know which one is going to choose. Anyway, 7, 13, 1, 11, 5. So I think it ain't going to write down. It's going to skip it because it's too easy. And we're moving on towards the next one. So here, basically I found a video that practices only this exercise, so super cute video. I mainly wanted to focus on this shit. So we got it once again, this thing. And we have to understand which term doesn't contain a in this thing. So we're doing exactly the same thing. But now instead of x, we just fucking do it with a. But just fucking the same process like bruv. Tk plus 1, 17k, fucking 1 divided by that, 17 minus k, this, power of k. Now we can work it out right there. 1 divided like this, so it's gonna be a to the power of 1 divided by 3 times 2, so that's a to the power of 2 divided by 3. Flip it, a to the power of minus 2 divided by 3, right? And 17 minus k right there. Right there, it's 1 divided by 4 times 3, so it's 3 divided by 4 times k. Bruv. Alright. Okay. So now, a at the power of minus 34 minus 2k divided by 3. I mean plus because 2 minuses, so 3, boom. And there, a at the power of 3k divided by 3. But as it is the same thing, we just plus it out, so it's going to be plus 3k divided by 4. Bang. Now, 17k right there. We ignore it and everything. We just work with power like we did before. equal it with 0 so that we can annihilate the a, and then we just find k, so we plug it into the c and find it. So the common denominator below is 12. So first thing, we multiply 4, the second one is 3. It's gonna be minus 34 times 4, that is minus 136 plus 8k, right, and plus 9k equal of 0, nothing below, just ignore it. 17k, right, equal with 4 times 34. Based on what logic is this appropriate? Don't ask me. Just move on with this. And so 17k. From what logic has this been done? How did we get to this? I just do my normal calculations. What is this high math calculation? 9k right there. How'd you get 17k? 8k right there. Oh, so that's how we get 17k. And 4 times 44. And you just switch the sign so it goes to the right. Okay, so that's how it is. Right, so on the right we're gonna have 8 and k is basically 8. So now we can just find out what's, so we need t8 plus 1, so that's t9, so we calculate essentially the stuff. But t9, bruv. Okay, so this exercise asks us which term, so we just write down t9. But in the previous one, don't ask which term, it asks the term, so we actually have to calculate it till the end. So yeah, that's like the difference here, to do it for maximum points and stuff. That's the difference. Can move from here now. Next exercise. Okay, so we got this now. Find n, that is a natural number but not 0, and the term that contains x to the power 4 in the desvoltation of a binom. You can see the binom here. Knowing that the sum of binomial coefficients of this desvoltation is 128. Alright, so basically what we need to do here, we got the normal formula, right? So we need to, the binomial coefficient is that thing with a c, the combinations. So we need to equal that to 128 after we plug everything in, and we're gonna find essentially what we need. Alright, so we do not know, and we do not know k yet. We're gonna find out the right thing. Bravo. Yeah, I guess I fucked up a bit here. It's not equal with c, it's equal with 2 power of n, fucking stupid formula. 2 power of n, that's like with sum right there. So you find n right there. I think it was if it like it's bloody just even numbers or not even numbers, something like 2 power of n plus 1. So yeah, kind of have to remember this, practice a bit more. So now I have to think about which number I have to put at the power of 2 to make 128, so that's 7, right? 2 at the power of 7, so n is 7. Okay, so now we know that n is 7. Now we can work it out just like before. Just like before. But here, we don't need to... And so here we have to calculate the term, so we gotta get the k and do it till the end. Here, we actually don't need to equalize the x of 0. You need to equalize it with x at the power 4, right? Yeah, because it has to contain x at a power of 4. So that's the difference here, and mainly it's all the same. So let's just clock this. 7 minus k using formula, same thing, and better power of k. So now, same stuff. Work with this. Just ignore the c right now. And essentially 7 minus k. Why didn't you work with it now? Okay, so just flip that. Okay, so here it's quite simple because we have the same base right now. We just flipped it, powers minus, boom. Now we can just equal the powers. So 7 minus k is going to be, or not equal the powers, it's times right there. So 7 minus k equal to 0. And for that, we're going to find k. So minus 2k is going to be equal to minus 7. But that doesn't make sense. K should be a natural number. So x to the power 4. Based on what? Oh, because it's fucking not equal to 0. The x things is not fucking equal to 0. It's equal with fucking x to the power fucking 4, right? So 7 minus k equal to fucking 4, not 0. So now it should work. Yeah, 10,000 things to fucking remember. I have to fuck this up already. Fucking tired of this shit. So, write that down. I fucking care about that. Why the fuck would I care about fucking working with a x term? It's the same base. Oh, it's not the fucking same base. Now it's fucking that x to the power 4 to the right. So, it's not fucking the same as x square root of a third order of x beneath. It's not the same, so we have to fucking make them the same. Yeah, this one's harder than I fucking expected, so okay. Yeah, ChatGPT definitely could solve this. I am pretty fucked up on this. X power boom. How do I work it out? Yes, bro, if it's x times x at the power of 1 divided by 3. So x times x, that's just x to the power of 2. So times that, x to the power of 2 divided by 3. And transfer the power towards the 7 minus 2k. And we're going to have the same base, x. We're going to equal them out, right? I'm not missing something fucking again, right? Boom. X power to 4. X power to 4 divided by 3. Why the fuck 4 divided by 3? X at the second power. Do we need the fucking same denominator or what? I thought it's just x at the power of 2. Okay, so it's actually x to the power of 2 minus... So x to the power of 2 times... No, bro. X to the power of 2 times 1 divided by 3. That's 2 divided by 3. But why is 4 divided by 3 there? Is it like x at the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 3? In which case, the common denominator is gonna be 3, and it's gonna be 6, 7 divided by 3. Bro, how the fuck you get this? I'm missing fucking something. X to the power of 4 divided by 3. X to the power 4 divided by 3. How'd you get that? Ah, fucking hell. It's x at the power of 1, so x 1 at the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 3. So that's that. Okay, I got it. So it's gonna be 3 plus 1 on top, so 4 divided by 3. Okay. But this thing is still fucked up. I fucking hate it. So now, x of the power of 28 minus 8k divided by 3 equal of x at the power of 4. So now can finally fucking equalize, right? Come on. Yes, there we go. Boom. Now, it is right there. 4 times that. Should we actually do the times first, or we can somehow transfer the 4 to the right? So it's going to be that fraction equal with 4 divided by 4, which is 1. Should we actually do that? Yes. So now, ignore the 3 on the bottom. You just work with the thing on top. Equal with 1. Equal with 3. Fucking fucked up again. I thought it's like this, but actually it's crisscross once again. So this equal to 3, and minus 2k is gonna be equal with 3 minus 7, which is minus 4. So k is gonna be 2, right? Boom! Finally, I have a k. I have a fucking k. Now I know it is a third fucking term. Now we just plug everything in, as the condition tells me to fucking say what it's equal actually, this t3. As you know. And as we fucking equalized all of that with fucking x at the power of 4, don't write all this shit. Just write down x at the power of 4. Instead of that. So it's going to be the c with fucking everything plugged in and times x to the power 4. That's going to be that. So, now, see right there, 7 above, right there with 2. Plug it in. Times x to the power 4. Genius. I'm a genius, bruv. So now, 7 exclamation mark, 7, 6, 2, and 1 or what? What the fuck can I write down the 1? It's not doing nothing. So essentially 21x power 4. That's it, bruv. Response, n is 7, t7, t3 is equal with 21 times x to the power 4. 8 points, all the fucking points, give it all to me. So now, next exercise. We got the binom, right? So a is fucking real values, but not fucking equal to 0, thanks to that fucking star, which you can see, because I got 1080p on. And the sum of binomial coefficients of fucking not... So basically the numbers 2, 4, 6, something like that, you know what I mean, is 128. Find the term that has a to the power of 3. Okay, now, like I said before, if it's fucking like 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 or 2, 4, 6, 8 is gonna be 2 of the power of n plus 1 equal with 128. So based on that, you calculate the n. And once you have calculated the n, you just plug everything in formula of n, work with the fucking a's, equal all that with fucking a to power 3, fucking get the fucking k, fucking plug it in, and so you'll get the term, calculate it, boom, fucking done. I mean, it's obviously fucking hard, but I think if I'm gonna do like 11 more of these or 12, it's gonna be quite good, but not perfect. So, what the fuck, mate? Why do you have to divide it like that? What is this, bruv? Okay, so this is this. But how the fuck will I remember when it's divided by 2, when it's 2 to the power of n plus 1? If I plug in 2 to the power of n plus 1, will I get the fucking same result? We're gonna see. Perhaps no. Where the fucking 2 go away? Okay, so we went to the fucking crisscross, 256, so that's 2 power of 8. So n is 8. If I were to fucking do it like this, it would have been n plus 1 equal to fucking 7. So n would be fucking 6, right? So it has to be n minus 1. So n minus 1 should be the fucking thing. But I think divided by 2 also works. I don't know exactly. Whatever. Move on from here. Okay. Whew, okay. So n is 8. Plug it in. Plug it in fucking thing. 8. This 8 minus k. Now that to power of k. Alright, so this, that's right there. Fucking. We need to kind of get it like the same fucking base, the base fucking a, to fucking do it. So, a times a to the power of 1 divided by 4, all of the power of 8 minus k, and over right it's going to be a to the power of minus 1 divided by 2 times k, so yeah, that's that. Okay, so it's 5 divided by 4 because it's essentially 4 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4, so 5 divided by 4. Okay, I got that. So CHK, and right there, a to the power of 40 minus 5k divided by 4. Or we can just write that down right now. And right there minus k divided by 2. So just fucking take the a terms. As it's times, you fucking plus them out. So it's still going to be minus. And all of that's equal with a power to 3. Work with the powers as we got the same base. Yeah, stuff like that. Equal with a to the power of 3. Amazing. Now this minus k divided by 2 equal to 3. Amazing. Get the same fucking common denominator right there, which is 4, so it's gonna be the same fucking thing but minus 2k, so we're gonna have 40 minus 7k divided by 4 equal 3. So basically we just fucking multiplied the thing on the fucking right with 4, so that we don't have to write down divided and stuff. So it's 12. Now it's 40 minus 7k equal 12. And essentially 20. Why fucking 28? Because we remove both minuses, and now it's essentially this 28 to 7k. So k is 4, right? We got now k is 4, so it's the fifth term, t4 plus 1. And now we can just write it down till the end. That's it, c8 4 according to formula. And 8 to the power 3, because we just don't write down fucking shit. It has to contain 8 to the power 3, so just write it down. We calculate the bloody c and times 8 to the power 3, and that's it. It's exclamation 8765 right there. Fucking below 4 exclamation mark. We just fucking write it down. We just write down fucking 2 times 3 times 4. Boom, genius. And now simplification. 2 4 8 3 6. So it's gonna be 14 times 5, which is fucking 78 to the power 3. T5 7. Boom, boom, bruv. So that's that. Now this last exercise of this video. But don't worry, I got plenty of exercises. So find the term that contains x to the power 6 in this thing, knowing that the difference between binomial coefficients of a term, the third one and the second one, is 35. Okay, I think I know how to do this one. So yeah, now it's with the fucking c's. It's not fucking 2 power of n minus 1 or 2 power of n. It's just essentially this stuff right here. So 2 power of n, we don't use it here. We just work with a c from the formula of a third term minus the c of a formula of second term, and equal that to 35. Get what we get a fucking n, work with this, work with that, just like before. That's it. So write what you have to write in the best way. Cn0, Cn1, Cn2. Okay, so when you think about it, formula of c is Cnk, and if it's the third term, the k is essentially 2, because 2 plus 1 for third term, and the second one is just 1. So we got Cn2 and Cn1. So essentially Cn2 minus Cn1 is 35, right? Yes, I told you I'm a genius. Now use your fucking brain. Formula n minus 2 exclamation mark on top. What fucking n minus, bruv? This guy fucking jumps it. He goes straight at it. It should have been fucking n minus 2 exclamation mark, but he just skipped it. He fucking crossed it, and he straight up written down that. If you didn't understand, fucking ask ChatGPT. So in the second one, n n minus 1 exclamation mark, and so it's just gonna be fucking n on top, and of the bottom nothing, so minus n equal 35. So fucking everything times 2, right? So it's gonna be n to the power of 2 minus n minus 2n is equal to fucking 70. So and fucking the common one, right? So now, bro, this is fucking advanced. Fucking when you move a fucking term up front and so on. What are you gonna do? N minus 3. N minus 3, bro. N goes there. Boom. And boom. Minus 1 of minus 2 minus 3. Bro, this is a bit advanced. I'm just gonna fucking stick to a fucking normal one. It's fucking 70. N to the power of 2 minus 3n. Bro, this guy is fucking advanced. 10 times 7, he fucking split it already. N is 10. And fucking... Or n is 70 and fucking... n minus 3 is fucking 70 what? What? Bro, fucking advanced, bro. N is 10. How the fuck you get n is 10? N is 10. And what? N is 10. And then minus 3 is 7 or what? Bro, I guess that makes sense, but it's fucking complicated. I told you, I just want this done. No fucking get into depth, no fucking become a math genius. I didn't fucking want that. So, I understand, fucking whatever, let's go. Formula, plug in the fucking n. Okay, great. Now work with fucking x. And all the fucking x's we're gonna equalize with fucking x to the power of 6. Get a fucking same base, which is gonna be fucking x. So now, work with it. Right. Right there, x at what power? X have the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 3, so that is going to be 1 x to the power of 4 divided by 3, right? Times 10 minus k, right there. X to the power of minus 1 divided by 2, and k right there. Pop the c again, 10k right there. Amazing. Okay. And now essentially x at the power of 40 minus 4k divided by 3 minus k divided by 2. Okay. And all of that x with that power equal with x to the power of 6. So equalize basically the power of 6. Now that expression on the left times 2, on the middle times 3. So it's gonna be 80 minus 8k minus 3k equal with 18. I mean not 18, with 36 just to fucking annihilate with fucking 6. So equally fucking 36. Okay. Now 80 minus 11k equally 36. So 11k is gonna be equal with fucking 44. So k is gonna be 4. So now 5 d5 4 plus 1. C, we have an n, which is 10. Fucking 10 4. And x to the power of 6 right there. Boom. On top we have 10 times 9 times all the way till 6. I mean till 7. What? Why till 7, bruv? Okay, I guess that makes sense. Okay. So now 2 5 3 4. Simplify what you can simplify. That, and the 3. So it's gonna be 210 x to the power of 6. T5 is 210 x to the power of 6. Boom. That's that. Now for another video. Yeah, this is a good video right here, man. Okay, so Binom Newton, we can fucking watch more videos. This again or what? What should I fucking watch? This? Is this good? Number of rational terms. I mean, it's kind of fucking Romanian type of exercise, so kind of works, but not till the end, so I think I'm gonna go with something else. We could try fucking this. But is this fucking good? Okay, so this is fucking good, right? But I think I saw an exercise that fucking has. So pretty much it's the same fucking exercise that I already fucking did. So I need to find an exercise that is pretty much new, that I never did. Go from to fucking the front. This one doesn't fucking sound like fucking something that is at the exam. So fuck this exercise. Alright. Now we can move on to this one. We have is basically this fucking thing, x is bigger than 0. Knowing that the difference between the binomial coefficient of a third and the first term is equal to 35, no, find the term that contains square root of x. Okay. So, pretty much like before, bruv. If it's a third term, it's Cn, and the k is gonna be 2, so Cn2 minus c and 0, because 0 plus 1, bruv, it's just fucking that first term equally 35, so solve that and then the same stuff, bruv. So there we go. T5. What T5? 2 plus 1, that. CN2, we needed that. The other shit we don't care about. So, yeah, that expression to the right, that's what we fucking needed. Exactly. Now, solve it and everything. And n minus 1, just like before, divided by 2. And the one with the fucking 0. Is it fucking 0? N minus 0, exclamation mark. What is? Minus 1, huh? It's minus 1 equal 35. Okay. So that's 36 times 2. So it's 72. So, and to minus 72 equals 0, so basically quadratic. And we can solve from here. This fucking quadratic thing. So first up, delta and so on. Fucking already solved, so fucking is 9 because it cannot be fucking negative, as you can see. X bigger than 0, but this is not X, whatever. Power can only be positive here for the term and so on. So it's 9. 9. Plug it in formula of C9K. Now fucking that first one, power minus 1 divided by 4, that's correct. And the second one will be x at the power of 2 divided by 3, right? And k right there. I mean, it's 2k divided by 3, right? Now we got the same base. Work with it. Equalize with a fucking that fucking square root of x or what? That is x to the power of 1 divided by 2, so fucking 1 divided by 2. So that's that. Now it's fucking what base? What denominator below? It's fucking 8. No, it's not fucking 8. It's fucking 12, right? Yes, 12. So first one is 3, second one is 4, last one is fucking 6. So minus 20. So right there equal with 12. I mean not 12. It's 12 divided by 2, so it's 6. So good like that. And so minus 27 essentially plus 3k plus 8k equal with 6. So 11k equal with 35. So k is gonna be what? What 30? Not 35, 33. So k is going to be fucking 3. Stupid handwriting, bruv. We got 2 T4, T3 plus 1, right? So n is fucking what? 9. On top we got 3, and next up we have x to the power of 1 divided by 2. We're just fucking square root of x. So just need to calculate that, and that's it, bruv. I'm gonna fucking, my voice is gonna get fucked up. I've been speaking so much. I'm gonna have to fucking close the fucking stream, to fucking get my voice fucking good. Yeah, it's fucked up. So 6 exclamation mark 7 8 9 10. I mean 8 9. Fucking what? 3. 2 times 3 right there. Boom, simplify, boom, boom, boom. 12 times 7, 84. Fucking 84, square of x. This fucking T4. Okay, so. Boom. Fucking. My voice is fucked up, I told you. Stream is gonna be fucking later or I don't know. So yeah, that's it.